Hello and welcome back to another video. Now today I'm heading back to the workshop to do some work on Mary. I'm also going to put right some mistakes that I made when I installed the diesel heater into the workshop. Now, as we all know, YouTube is an amazing resource and it's great for self-education, and I have actually learnt quite a lot by watching YouTube videos, as I'm sure you have as well. But for me as a video creator, I learned a ton of stuff by reading the comments that you leave on the videos that I create. So I want to say thank you to everyone that takes the time to leave comments and to put me right as well, to let me know that I've made a mistake. So that's the main purpose of me going back to the workshop today, is to put right those mistakes that I made when I installed that diesel heater. So once again, thank you to everyone that took the time to point out those mistakes. Now before I go to the workshop, I need to go into the DIY store and get some supplies so that I can correct those mistakes. So stay tuned and I'll see you when I get to the workshop.
Bargains.
That's it. What a lovely day. Now, seems though it's such a lovely day, I'm going to leave Mary outside so to take advantage of this beautiful sunshine. She can stay out here, get her batteries nicely charged up. So I'm just going to simply grab my toolbox, go in the shed and put those mistakes right. Now I've got to admit, I'm quite disappointed in myself because quite frankly I should have spotted the mistake that I was making when I was fitting that diesel heater. Well, not mistake, I should have spotted the fault with the stuff that's being used. Let's just turn the light on in here. So here we are, we're back in the tea room. Now the mistake I made when I installed this diesel heater was two things really. One of them was this plug. Now, thank you to everyone that pointed out this plug is potentially dangerous because apparently there's no fuse in it. Yeah, well, I should have spotted this. I did look at this plug and think to myself, that plug looks a bit weird. But you're absolutely right, there is absolutely no fuse in this plug. But I did also say in that video, in my defence, that I don't recommend this product because the other plug was quite melted. So today I'm going to change this plug. Also, the other thing that's wrong is down below at the exhaust. Down here, it's quite a big hole under there. And rightly so, somebody said that that's a potential for rats to get into the tea room. And they suggested we put wire wool around this, or bung it up with wire wool to stop any rodents coming into the tea room. So that's what I'm going to do today. Yeah, right, let's crack on with it. Well, here's the offending article. And yeah. Now a couple of other people also pointed out that these plugs aren't UK compliant, therefore this item should in fact not be sold in the UK. So I'm wondering if that's why that you can't get these anymore from Max Speeding Rods. So yeah, very strange. So let's start by cutting that plug off, replacing it with the one we just brought. There's no green light on, there's no power, so it's not going to go bang. like things usually do when I cut the wires. Things tend to have a tendency of going bang on me or pop. So once again, I really do want to say thank you to everyone that took the time to point this out, because I would be absolutely devastated if there was a fire and it was my fault. It's one thing I'm really paranoid about is fire. It's when I was a kid. This is a true story, and it's one of my earliest child memories. Is that my sister set light to my cot. She was playing with matches, and I could have only been about 2 years old, and it's really weird that I can remember it. But the one thing I do remember, and it's very distinct in my mind, there was a Winnie the Pooh sticker on the headboard in my cot, and I remember that sticker bubbling up with the flames going up, and I was up the other end of the cot screaming. And I remember my mum coming in and grabbing me out of the cot. That is as much as I can remember. But yeah, I could have only been about 2 years old, but I can still picture Winnie the Pooh and Tigger bubbling up on the side of my cot. Incredible that, you know, to think that I can remember something like that from such an early age. But there you go. I am really fire conscious. I'm sure Adrian will appreciate me doing this. He's not actually here, there's nobody here. Got the whole place to myself, which is kind of nice, because it's nice and quiet. Now we will be coming back here tomorrow with Rebecca's van and hopefully do some work on Becky's van. Start, get back to work on her van. We've not done any work all month. As you know, I've been ill, I've not been well. So, not actually done any work on her van. Adrian's going to sort out a space for me over there. He's going to make a little bay for me to work on vans. And don't forget, if you've got a van and you want to come here and use this space, then get in touch with Adrian and he'll let you know the costs, the location, everything you need to know. You can find out from Adrian. I'm actually quite hungry. It smells like curry in here. I think they've been cooking curry. So this plug is now going in the bin. Hello, new plug. Let's try it, make sure it works. Wish me luck. Just going to plug this back in the back first. Say, it's rather cold in here. Yes, we have power. It works. A success. Now I've done some other bits and pieces. I've got Mary in the workshop. But before I do any work on Mary, let's take a look and see what Justin and Adi are up to. Give you a little update on their van build. I think last time we left them, they were about to install their windows. And I can see straight away that Justin has installed his rear windows. Hi mate, you alright?
Hello Al.
They look smart, don't they look good? Look at them.
Yeah, so...
I've never seen those opening ones on the rear before.
Yeah, no they don't. I saw them on the website and I thought I might as well go for them. I was looking for the back ones, for the plain ones. Yeah. Just the fixed pane. And I saw these, so I thought I might as well have a go and have a look.
And was they much more expensive than the plain ones?
I think the fixed were about 150 and these were about 230, so a little bit more. You get the ventilation right from the back through to the front with the max fan, so I think for me it's going to be worth it. And yeah, they're nice windows. They went on nice and easy, same as the fixed pane. And
did you do the elaborate cutting out that
I did not. I did not.
Did you heed my advice and just
I went for a standard. Yeah, I went for a standard.
Let's have a look.
Square shape. So yeah, you can see from the inside.
So when we saw Justin, first of all, yeah, he had this drawing on the back and it was very elaborate and he had outlined all the little vents and everything. And I said, hey Justin, why don't you just cut out a big oval? It'll be a lot easier.
Yeah.
I'm glad to see that's what you did.
Definitely good advice, yeah. Yeah, so they're quite nice. Just a standard pull open. Oh, no, not standard. Back one slides open, it's got the mosquito net as well.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
They're always a bit stiff when they're new.
Yeah. But yeah, seems to work quite well. The only thing about this is it's a bit jiggly, but...
Yeah.
It'll be okay.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
You've done both sides?
Done both sides, done both of the pop-out windows in the front, the acrylic double glazed. So at least I'm getting there with the windows. Everything else is going slowly, to say the least. Been working on my electric diagram the last few days.
Yeah.
So I'm getting through that. I wanted to do it myself, so yeah, it's been a bit of a challenge, but definitely starting to wrap my head around it.
You're getting there.
Yeah, I'll get there. Just doing a bit of bits and bobs as well.
Once it's insulated and you've got all your panels fitted, that's when the fun can begin.
Yeah, doing all the woodwork.
Just hang in there.
Yeah.
Just stay focused on getting to that point.
Yeah, I'm trying not
That's
to
when
lose.
things get really interesting.
Trying not to lose my sanity before then. I'm going to have the 2 slit windows on the sides as well.
Oh, right.
I'm just going to build my bed frame first and then see where a good position is. It's H3, so it's a bit different.
It's higher.
Yeah, so I think I'm probably going to
So
put
you've
them.
got that massive panel there, so
Yeah.
you can put them in there.
Yeah, I think I'm probably going to put them at the top.
So H3 is definitely the way to go.
Yeah, especially for
look
me,
at that.
being I'm 6'4",
Yeah,
and I've still got quite a lot of clearance. I'm going to have about another 60 mils, 70 mils here.
yeah.
So I've still got a bit.
So
Got a space for some surfboards. And
Let's have a go. I've got to get in, haven't I? I've got to get in and have a look.
so this is the biggest unit.
Look at that, I could almost stretch my hands up. My sprinter's about here, to give you some, well, you know, you've seen me in my sprinter. Look at that, H4,
H3 L4. Yeah,
L4, H3, L4.
yeah,
Mental note of that.
yeah. So it's the biggest.
I'll be looking for a bigger van soon.
Yeah, so I was looking for the biggest one I could find because H2 just wouldn't cut it for me. I went and saw one, and when I was in it, I was already like that with no insulation. So I thought, nah, I've got to go for. I did pay a bit of a premium because it's higher and they're not as many on the market.
No, as you mentioned, they're quite rare.
Yeah, but for me, I think it's great. Also going to be able to get a bit more storage area underneath the floor. Probably going to put a 15 mil storage underneath the shower, the bench and all of that. So get a bit more, maybe get some skis under there, snowboards,
Nice.
a little bit of extra space.
Okay.
But slow going.
Well, I'll let you get on there. I'll go and see what Adie's doing now. We'll go and
Cool.
pester Adie, see what he's up to. It's quite high, isn't it?
It's quite high. It's a good lunge workout, isn't it?
Yeah. Thank you. Let's go and see what Adie's up to. Where is he? Adie!
Hello,
How you going?
buddy.
Oh, your ceiling's still up then?
It stayed. It has.
And you've added a
And
bit
solid.
to it?
It stayed solid. Yeah, I've got nearly all the insulation done now. Just got to finalise these bits. Started getting my panelling on.
That's looking nice. Oh, this is that special board you was telling me about.
This one is MRMDF. The special board is going in here, which is Tricoya, which I'm going to build the shower out of.
What size diesel heater are you going to fit?
5 kilowatt.
5 kilowatt?
If you're prepared to give me a hand.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, so that's going to go in under the seat. So I've got it ducted through. So I want to go ducted through.
Where'd you get that from? Look at that ducting pipe. I struggled to find a piece that was 1 metre long.
Yeah, no, you can buy it as long as you like.
Yeah, where from?
Magnum Motorhomes.
Magnum Motorhomes.
Yeah,
Well,
really
shout
good.
out to them.
Really good. Obviously, we fitted the windows this week with great help from Justin. And yeah, just getting ready to close everything off.
Exciting, yeah.
And what a difference it's made with the warmth.
Yeah?
Just just closed up the doors last night, had a sit down and a cup of tea, thought through the whole processes of everything going on in here, closed the doors, put a little 1 kilowatt heater on, 10 minutes and it started coming toasty.
I'm not surprised. You're pretty well insulated.
It is. Just got to make sure I've got decent airflow coming through. But yeah, so far so good.
Excellent. So there you go. Make sure you give Adie a thumbs up. He's doing such a good job. I'm really looking forward to see how this turns out. And obviously we'll keep you updated. I'll give you regular updates on Adie's progress. So if you want to see Adie's progress, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you found this video mildly entertaining, slightly informative. If you did, then obviously give it a thumbs up and we'll see you very soon. Ta-ra for now. So this is a H2, right?
Indeed.
And this is a 6'4".
This is the height difference between a H2 and a H3.
Definitely doesn't work in here.
Yeah.